So you can look at this image and what do you see? There's a cluster or a collection of onions twisted and bound together by a cord. But instead of saying such a long sentence, you could say it's a rope of onions. Second, what would you say for a plastic container or a paper container for number of coins? You must say it is a roll of coins. The next is the same as the previous one. That is a roll of paper containing coins. What would you say? A relay of money. Okay, relay is a French word, and so its pronunciation is also different. Shoal of fish, school of fish, pod of fish. Why are they distinct and what makes them unique? When do we use shoal of fish? When fish and other aquatic animals all swim together. I mean, mixed species of aquatic animals like fish, crab, shrimp, and prawn, they're all together. That's when we use this word shoal of fish. When do we use school of fish? When the same species of fish are all swimming together. We say, hey, look, there's a school of fish. Okay, when do we say school? When it's the same species of fish. Now, the next is pod of fish. When do we say the pod of fish? When herd of marine animals like whales and walrus, seal and dolphins are all going together. I mean, bigger marine animals, when they're all together, that's when we use the word pod of fish. I hope it's interesting. What do we say for a group of locusts? We say, hey, there comes a swarm of locusts. Then we also say plague of locusts. Plague means epidemic or a contagious disease. But apart from this meaning, it also means huge number. Invasion of fast spreading locust. Okay. Then we also say, hey, there is a locust cloud. Locust cloud is also a collective noun used for locust. Now, what do we say for a group of clubs? What is a club? It can be an assembly of people at a place. Now, club also means a long, thin metal stick used to hit the ball in a game called as golf. Golf club. Okay, it's familiar to all. Golf club. So if you see a group or collection of golf clubs, you say it as a set of clubs. A set of golf clubs. There's a bundle of stock and grains tied up together. What would you say? Sheaf of grain. Sheaf is the collective noun associated with bundle of grains. Next is, there's a large spoon used to serve food from the container to the individual's plate. Then what would you say? It's a serving of spoon. One serving of spoon is the portion of food that is transferred from the container to the individual's plate. Next is blocks of wood in layers are arranged on top of one another. What would you say? stack of wood, pile of wood, heap of wood. But the best of all is stack of wood. Now these are plants called as pearls, which are actually indoor flowering plants. A large number of these pearl plants are called as string of pearls. Okay, let's move on to the next. A group of horses kept on a farm are called as string of horses, while a group of wild horses is called as herd of horses. The next is a group of bears. There's a type of bear called as sloth bear. But other than that, a group of bears is also sometimes called as sloth of bears. Okay. The interesting fact is the official term is sleuth. Sleuth of bears, sloth of bears, both refer to the same thing. The workforce or the laborers, people all together working in an organization, we call them as staff or personnel.